With the announcement of the new Star Wars movie, I wanted to make a sound for my friends at Bad Robot, and it was a great excuse to get out the ARP and try to do my best impression of Ben Burtt and see how close I could come to an R2-D2 patch. Our sound is coming from the ring modulator, and the switch is set to DC. Both oscillator 1 and 2 have their frequencies modulated by the sample and hold. Both of them are plugged into the output of the lag processor using a tip-top audio stackable cable. Oscillator 3 is an LFO, and the pulse width is plugged into the external clock in of the sample and hold. In your VCF, turn your filter frequency all the way up, and the filter has a little bit of ADSR mod to it. On the AR generator, both down, and the ADSR attack all the way down, a little bit above the middle line for the decay, a little bit above the first line for the sustain, and a little bit above the fourth line for the release. Set your noise generator to a little bit below pink. Using a tip-top audio stackable patch cable, we're going to take the output of the sample and hold and go into the lag processor and into the CV input of our LFO, which is VCO3. And the reason we're doing that is because I want the pitch of the oscillators to have portamento, but I want the modulation to be stepped, not portamento, no lag. As I said before, the output of VCO3, which is our LFO, is going to go to the external clock in. The square wave of oscillator 3 is controlling our rate, but the sample and hold output is controlling our pitch. That's what's giving it the variation in timing, so that it's not just a consistent rate of speed based upon a clock. And that's what gives it the change, which to me kind of gives it that variation that makes it sound like R2-D2.